If you're a video editor like myself, then you know that having a video in reverse mode can be really useful for creativity or whatever reason that may be. And if you're currently using the CapCut video editor, then in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to reverse a video using CapCut for PC. Let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in CapCut here, right? And here is a video of this guy walking, right? And I'm going to show you how we can go ahead and reverse that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let me just zoom in here by just control and scroll here, and I'm going to just take a little small part of this video, right? So let him walk up to about here, and then I'm going to use Control B to break this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Let's copy that piece and just Control V and put that here. So I'm going to just drag this here. And what I'm going to do now, guys, this little small part of this video here, I am going to reverse it and I'm going to show you. So he's currently walking, right? Let him walk. Then it's going to do the same piece of video, right? And how to reverse this is just simply click on the video, the part of the video, entire video, whatever you want inside a video. And here you will see the reverse button. So you will find the reverse button right here, and all you have to do is just go ahead and reverse. This, once you click it, it will, it will load up the percentage and that will reverse the video for you. So let me go ahead and play it. That's forward and that's reverse, right? And you can always play around with the speed, guys. So if you want it like a fast lap, you can go ahead and just make sure that the section is selected, and you want to go to speed here on the top here, and you just go ahead and drag it to how fast you want, or how the speed, just basically play with the speed, right? So here is it. I'm going to let him play. I'm going to play it again, and then here's reverse. If it's a bit too fast, let me go ahead and slow it down so that you can see it mostly, so let me go ahead and play it once more. And here is the reverse, right? And that's basically how easy it is, guys, to reverse any video clip that you have within CapCut. You just need to click it and let it reverse. So here you can see the guy again. He's just basically walking backwards. Crazy, right? Simple. Put back his phone in his pocket. That's so easy. So guys, that's how easy it is to reverse any video that you may have within CapCut. And there you have it, guys. It's so easy and so simple. That's how you can reverse any video using CapCut for PC. Now, if you find some value in this video, go ahead and let us know in the comments below, and feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.